In this video, we will be solving multiple calculations in the same problem using Pythagorean theorem. Haley ordered a ringette stick and some other equipment online. Her purchase is shipped in a rectangular box. If the stick is 180 centimeters long and the shipping box has a length of 175 centimeters and a width of 20 centimeters, how tall must the box be in order for the stick to fit diagonally in the box? This problem can be solved in steps. This diagram contains a triangle representing the length of the stick and the height of the box, which is the unknown. However, the diagonal along the bottom of the box is also unknown. As such, a second triangle must be solved first. This diagram contains a triangle that can be used to solve for the diagonal along the bottom of the box because the length and width of the box were given in the problem. This will be the first calculation. First, solve for the bottom diagonal. Identify the given and required values and draw and label the diagram. Extract the portion of the picture that will enable the problem to be solved. The length of the box is 175 centimeters. The width is 20 centimeters. The diagonal along the bottom of the box is unknown. Now write the formula, then substitute values and solve. The Pythagorean theorem equation can be written using the words from the problem. The legs are the length and width, so L squared plus W squared equals the hypotenuse, or the diagonal, D squared. Substitute the values in for the variables. Finding the square of a value is the same as multiplying it by itself. So 175 multiplied by 175 plus 20 times 20 equals D squared. This amounts to 30,625 plus 400 equals D squared. When you add these values together, D squared is equal to 31,025. Take the square root to solve for D. D equals 176.14 centimeters. Therefore, the diagonal along the bottom of the box is approximately 176.14 centimeters. Now review the value to ensure that the answer is reasonable. The diagonal is the hypotenuse in the longest side, so the answer is reasonable. Now solve for the height of the box. Identify the given and required values and draw and label the diagram. Extract the portion of the picture that will enable the problem to be solved. The length of the diagonal along the bottom of the box is 176.14 centimeters. This will be one of the legs of the new triangle. The ringette stick is 180 centimeters long and it is the hypotenuse. The height of the box is unknown. Write the formula, then substitute values and solve. Write the Pythagorean theorem equation using the terminology from the problem. The diagonal D squared plus the height H squared is equal to the stick, S squared. Substitute the values from the problem into the equation. Find the square of the values, which results in an equation of 31,025.3 plus H squared equals 32,400. Subtract 31,025.3 from both sides to isolate the unknown. H squared equals 1,374.7. Find the square root to solve for H. H equals 37.0769 centimeters. Therefore, the box will need to be at least 37.1 centimeters high in order for the stick to fit. Now review the answer to determine if it is reasonable. The height is less than the hypotenuse, so the answer is reasonable.